I know we've had really just a great stretch to get outdoors and do, well, pretty much anything. Saturday and Sunday, gorgeous. We continue it today with a number of locations already in the low to mid 70s. We're already at 70 degrees for Monticello, 71 for the Hamptons, 72 for Sparta and Central Park, Babylon and Brick at 74, and Edison is at 75 degrees. 74 happens to be our forecast high for today. 75 is the record, though, so we're not too far behind. And a number of locations are in that sort of same situation where the forecast high and the record high are awfully close. For LaGuardia, the forecast high is way above the record high. As we head to Newark, also expecting to perhaps set a record, and it'll be pretty close for Bridgeport. Islip's in the mix as well, so we do have a number of locations where we are on record watch. High pressure is helping us to get there, so we have had this area of high pressure really sort of dominating our weather for the past few days. It is made for some mostly sunny skies and help to usher in some warmer air. So this is the setup for us today. Not a whole lot for us to look at here locally, but of course we continue to track Tropical Storm Eta. Right now we're watching this system with its 60-mile-an-hour winds moving southwest at 14 miles per hour. It did make landfall in Florida, but it is expected to move out into the Gulf, strengthen back into a hurricane before weakening a bit and then making a second landfall in northwest Florida. So we'll continue to track that throughout the week. Back here at home, not much to track at the moment. What we are going to see tomorrow, though, is an increase in cloud cover. So we start to see a little bit of additional cloud cover on your Tuesday. It is Wednesday that we're expecting the rain to move in. Looks like the bulk of the rain holds off until just after noon, but at some point on Wednesday evening, we are likely to see some pretty heavy rain. So for today, 74 degrees, sunny and warm, pretty close to a record. Air quality alerts, however, will be in effect until midnight. Ground level ozone is the issue. It is a respiratory irritant. Tonight, we dip down to 58 degrees in the city, 40s for the suburbs, and we could see the development of some locally dense fog. Tomorrow, more clouds, a little bit cooler, and then by Veterans Day Wednesday, we're expecting mostly cloudy skies and rain likely. Mary?
Elise, thank you.